Yo, what up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing on some Nike shoes that I bought. I bought it straight from the Nike website, but you guys could also get it on Amazon. I bought two of the pairs, one of them black, one of them red. The blue one I'm gonna get through Amazon because they're out of stock on their website, and they're out of stock on Amazon too. So I'm gonna see and wait whichever one comes first. Again, I got it on Nike.com because of discounts. If it doesn't have the discounts, then might as well get it on Amazon. Both the links will be in the description below. I was just about to work out, and then I'm like, well, I wonder when my Nikes are getting here. So I check my phone, and I'm like, delivered. I go outside, I'm like, holy shit, there's a box. So, there it is. Let's get to unboxing. Alright, so as you can see, I'm wearing black Nikes. I need a replacement because of the underneath my shoe, there's like no more tread. So there's only tread on the useless parts, so I'd be slipping all the time. I take these to work too, and I'd be slipping all the time. But yeah, let's get to unboxing. I'm gonna be doing this one-handed, you guys, because I'm trying to get my workout on. Getting fat because of quarantine or COVID-19. Alright. Alright, let's put this away in my pocket. Alright, so like I told you, two Nikes. Oh my god. There we go. And look at that, it says just do it. Yep. Alright. There we go. So I got the size 9.5 because they are nice and tight. It feels better when you work out on them. Hopefully they fit me. Hopefully I didn't order the wrong size. Maybe I should have gone 10s, but whatever. The shoes do not have any markings on it, so I don't know the size that I got it. I bought those like 3 years ago, whatever. Anyways, let's open this one. Oh, these are the red ones that I bought. They look nice as hell. These are the red ones. That's the tread on the bottom, the side, the rear. Look at that. What does that say there? It says Revolution. These are the Revolution 5s or whatever. Again, the link will be in the description below, so the correct title will be there. And there's the other shoe. Here are the black ones that are replacing the ones I was about to work out in. So there you go. Revolutions. The black one, so it's like two different types of blacks on it, and the white, and the same tread on the bottom. Again, I'm gonna order blue ones. Probably green ones if they have it. But yeah, I won't order the white ones because they get dirty too fast. I don't know, maybe. Because I could always get a brush on it, but to maintain the cleanliness of your shoes, whatevers. Anyways, there's nothing more I can show you guys. They're shoes, what can I tell you? They're Nikes. They're comfortable. I'll try them on, and I'm gonna work out right now. So you guys know what to do. Give me a like, a dislike, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.